Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start right now. Confirm you have dash, wall jump, and the in-game map. Once done, head to the tall spire shown on your map. Move deliberately. Scan for wind currents and floating leaves which mark hidden entrances. Approach the base of the spire and look for a sealed gate requiring sigils or keys. If you already hold at least one of the required items, make sure you're at ground level and on the correct map pin before attempting the gate puzzle. Once at the gate, observe the wind nodes. There are 3 pulses you must activate in sequence. Listen and watch their light to learn the pattern. Then use dash timing to ride gusts across gaps. Dash once to latch, then dash again midair to chain into the next current. Make sure to break fragile ceiling tiles above certain gusts with a downward strike. Doing so opens a short vertical passage leading deeper, which is where the swift step reward will be found. You reach the hidden chamber. Approach the central pedestal and trigger the short event to claim Swift Step. It will animate into your inventory, so watch for the pickup queue. Next, equip it into a mobility or active ability slot, then test by dashing through a gust to confirm the increased speed and stride. If the item doesn't appear, reload the area, verify the wind node activation order on your map, and re-enter the passage. That fixes most spawn or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.